it's Michelle back here again with another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a DIY project. This bed frame right here, I'm going to turn it into a flower bed. I am so excited. I am sick of this bed frame, and instead of having to buy a whole new bed, I'm going to just revamp it myself. So I purchased some supplies from the dollar store. First thing you're going to need is a hot glue gun. And then I have a bag of various flowers. I'm going to pop off the stems and just use the tips of the flowers. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully I bought enough flowers to do the whole thing. Alright, so you get the point. I'm going to come back and show you when it's all done. This is just really redundant. You're just going to be cutting off the little stem here and then hot gluing it in whatever pattern you want, whatever colored roses, flowers you'd like. I'll be back. Okay, so for the pillow, we're going to take some roses here. We're going to pop off a rose. Clip off the little green stem here, and then hot glue it to the pillow in whatever pattern you would like. This is just an old pillow I had that I'm not using for my couch anymore, so I figured it'd be perfect to reduce, reuse, recycle. I just dropped the damn glue gun on the ground, and make a beautiful flower pillow out of it. They stick a lot better to this material than they do the bed. The bed, you have to hold it on there forever is what it seems. Hot glue. Just won't come off. For some of them you need to pop the green thing off and glue it underneath just to make sure it's really secure. So you get the idea. I'm going to come back when it's completed. So this is the finished product of the pillows and the bed. I love it so much. I think it is so beautiful. I think I'm going to get a different comforter or duvet. I'm not really sure. Maybe a furry throw blanket. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for what blanket you would think looks nice. I'm thinking maybe white or a light pink would be really pretty. So to show you close up, here's all the flowers glued onto the footboard. It cost me about $50 to purchase all of these flowers, and it like totally revamps the look of my room. This is the pillow up close, all done. And there's my beautiful little poopy whoopy whoop. There's my Dora. And here's the second pillow all done. You can really purchase any flowers you like that goes with your aesthetic. I wanted a lot of different colors, so I had lots of different things to match with. And I just think it looks so beautiful, so much brighter in here. I am so happy with my bed. Okay, so the bed is finally done. The pillows are finally done. This took me forever to get it completed. I had to go back to the Dollar Tree 2 times to get enough flowers to complete this. It was so hard to find the same matching flowers. They only have certain amounts of each color, and different Dollar Trees have different ones. But I am happy with the results. It cost me about $50 total to revamp my room. I do love it. I think it makes it look so much brighter in here. Like I said in the clip showing you the overall view, if anyone that's good at design and decorating, please let me know your suggestions of what you might think would look nice for this bedspread. And I'm thinking of making the wall behind the bed a light pink. I don't know if that would be too much. I'm not really sure. This room is definitely not complete, but it makes such a big difference. These flowers, I love it. So thumbs up for DIY videos, subscribe for more videos of me, and until the next time.